Hello everyone, this is my review of the Keppi Keto Hydration Electrolytes in Passionfruit flavor, which is unique. I haven't come across this flavor in hydration products before. The flavor is light and refreshing, making it enjoyable to drink throughout the day. This electrolyte powder contains no sugar, making it an excellent choice for anyone on a keto diet or looking to maintain a low sugar lifestyle. It dissolves easily in water without any clumping, and the taste is perfectly balanced, not too sweet or overpowering. I noticed a significant improvement in energy and hydration levels, especially during workouts or on busy days. It is great for replenishing lost electrolytes without the added calories or artificial ingredients found in other sports drinks. If you're looking for a clean and delicious way to hydrate, especially with a passion fruit flavor, which, like I said, I haven't come across before, which I love passion fruit, I highly recommend this product and I hope this review helps.